I'm going to show you how I make a Windows 7 virtual machine in 2026 using Workstation Pro. You can get it off of this website. It's kind of hard to do, but you have to sign in, so it's worth it. We'll need an ISO. This one I use, it's great. It has the SP1 pack, 64-bit, and it's the Ultimate Edition. Go ahead and grab that. Okay, when that's done, go to this website, click this link, and install it anywhere you want. Okay, now you have those two things. We're going to open up Workstation Pro and hit the plus symbol. I'll use typical today. Go ahead and hit browse and find your ISO that you just downloaded. Go ahead and open it, and it should pop up right here. This is where you'll put your information. We're using Ultimate, so I'll put that there. I'll make the password 123. And this is the tricky part. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show you where to find them, but they're really easy to find. Just go online and find a Windows 7 Ultimate product key. Go ahead and click Next. Okay, it might try to save it to your OneDrive. Do not let that happen. Go into your C drive and make a folder called Virtual Machines and save it there. Okay, next. 60 gigabytes is fine. If you store it as a single file, you'll also get better performance. Click on that option. Sweet. Now I'm going to customize the hardware. It really doesn't need anything more than 2 gigabytes of memory, but I'm going to give it 8 because I want it to be a beefy virtual machine. I have 1 processor and 6 cores, so I'll give it 2 cores. It doesn't need much. Now, lastly, this is very important. Go to 3D graphics in the display section and make sure this is checked on. Graphics memory, maximum. Okay. Now we can go ahead and finish this. It's going to create the disk. And Windows is already starting. Now it's just going to install Windows from that ISO. This shouldn't take too long, depending on how much RAM you gave it, how many processors. It shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes. Okay, the long part is over. Alright, now go ahead and click Restart Now. Okay, so now we're actually going to shut down the virtual machine. This is so we can insert our virtual machine tools ISO. Go ahead and navigate to the Edit Virtual Machine settings. Go to the CD DVD drive, and we're going to change this out. We're going to change it with the VMware Tools ISO. Okay. Then we'll hit OK and we'll power it back on. Sweet. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now we can hit the File Explorer and press Computer. You'll see this right here. You'll go ahead and press Setup 64. Hit Yes. Okay. Okay, after it is finally done loading, we'll hit this. It's preparing to install. Okay, now we have the installation wizard. You can do whichever one. And go ahead and hit install. Okay, that is done. We'll hit finish. We'll restart our computer. You might notice that the aspect ratio changes. That's okay. You can fix that. To adjust it, right click, hit screen resolution, and adjust it to whichever one you like. Click VM, go to Settings, Options, go to Guest Isolation, and make sure both of these are enabled. Go to this website, extended support, 64-bit, English. We need to click this one, not that one, this one. We'll install it right here. Now we can drag it onto our desktop, double click. Complete the wizard, standard. Sweet. Now we can launch Firefox and we're connected to the internet. First things first, Bit Defender. Scroll down till you see free antivirus software and hit the download button. Free download. There we go. Open up in your files, double click it, run it. It's pretty much going to tell us every single update and knowledge pack we need. So we're going to hit OK. Okay, it'll bring us to this website. Scroll all the way down, press this link, and we need to install each of these. So 1, 2, 3. Now that they're done, open them in your folder and double click each one. Finally, I will restart after I've done downloading the other two. Okay, that one took so much less time. And now this one. Now I'll go ahead and restart. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go back to the Defender. Run it and have it open that link for me. And now that we've done everything that was in here, we can finally do this one. I'm going to try manual install first, hopefully it works. Okay. Let's see here. Yes. Thank God. Okay, it's gonna work. Okay, finally. Go ahead and restart. And we're back. Okay, gonna open up Bitdefender. That should be everything we need. Oh, there we go. Okay. Skip. Okay, we're gonna create an account. I'll show you a little life hack. Temp mail. Copy it for Lucky. Oh, it'll let us use the same email as password. There we go. Just make it John. I agree. Save. Sweet. That's really quick. Go ahead and start the free trial. You don't need to like give any details. We'll just do it. And now you have a modern day antivirus running on Windows 7. You're now pretty much ready to do whatever you want. You can download programs, watch YouTube, download games. I'll show you one more thing. If you want this taskbar to be transparent, go ahead and hit personalize. Make sure you choose the Windows 7 arrow theme. Sweet. And now we got transparency. This only happens because we accelerated 3D graphics. So make sure that's clicked on. You can also change the background. That's nice. So now you have a perfect Windows 7 virtual machine that shouldn't run into any more errors.